Hello Gypsies, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This year I decided to do some winter baking, and I'm making a cookie my mom used to always make. I'm just now realizing how easy the cookie was, and she called them Mexican wedding cookies, which you might know them as. Some people just call them pecan snowballs. I'm just going to call them snowball cookies because I actually didn't have pecans, but I did have some almonds that we've been stacking on. So I just food processed some of those, and here is the recipe. You can easily toast those nuts by putting them in the food processor and crunching them up, then putting them on a pan and toasting for 10 minutes. This recipe is a dump and roll recipe. You just dump all of the ingredients into a bowl, mix, and you're done. 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 stick of soft butter, 1 cup of toasted nuts of your choice, and 1 cup of flour. Dozen little balls out of this recipe, but I did roll mine a little bit bigger. And as you can see from the picture, we set some aside. Michael did not want powdered sugar on his, so we set some aside just for him to enjoy with his coffee the next day. So comment down below if you know this cookie, if you've made this cookie, or if you're gonna make this cookie. Let me know how it turned out for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video and this sweet treat. I'll talk to you next time. Later, Gypsies.